Op engem YouTube-Kanal hautspielen ich den zwei Kartürme durch bin ich den am AJ Styles de $1 Million Challenge 15 Gegner muss ich bezwingen. Ich weiß ja kurz am Menü immer ufenken die 15 Gegner muss ich besiegen. Fängt morgen am nächsten Match. Wann Kontrahente rakommen, da können dat leider net heieren. Also das leider so wie zum Urberecht wieso direkt ich weiß ich kurz hier rockend lassen. So. De Bobby Wood as den echte Gegner.
This match just might set social media on fire. Oh, it's already trending. Aside from Saxton's commentary, this has all the makings of an epic match. With AJ Styles in the ring, you know this match is going to be absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, the only thing I could possibly dislike about the match is that you're calling it with me.
Wow, der Ring schlagt mein gesehen, wo ich stehe gegrafen komisch.
I personally think fighting champions are idiots, but AJ Styles hasn't turned away any challengers since joining SmackDown Live. His kick connects. He's taking some offense. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle. Corey, you said before that his constant defenses are idiotic. But between his U.S. Championship Open Challenge and his WWE Championship reigns, we've seen plenty of all-time. Here we go. AJ Styles setting up Ushigoroshi. You have to like his chances here. AJ Styles is getting ready. Styles clash. I knew it was only a matter of time. And the shoulders come up. A glorious kick out. Gonna take more than that. AJ Styles on offense. Incredible. So much innovation. Gentlemen, I had the privilege of walking into the arena today alongside Bobby Roode, and I'll tell you, the suit he was wearing must have cost a fortune. That's one of the things I love about Bobby Roode, Cole. The man always dresses to impress. Oh, I think this man means business. Nice move. Guys, not sure how much more Bobby Roode can take. We're finding out. You might just have nothing left to give, guys. I'll agree with Corey about Roode's pricey fashion. He certainly dresses to impress, but at some point, you might want to rethink how much money he's spending on his clothes. Roode is the best-dressed announcer in WWE history. Trust me, you can't put a price tag on being the most fashionable dude in the room. And then... Bobby Roode is a decorated veteran of sports entertainment, but I gotta say, he's got his work cut out for him here tonight. And now that one's countered. Wow, that was impressive, Michael. As Byron mentioned, Bobby Roode is in there with some stiff competition here tonight. Perhaps too stiff. Will Bobby Roode set it through with an earth-shattering spine buster. That was glorious. It's going to take more than that to keep his shoulders down. AJ always makes the South proud, and tonight is no exception. What a reversal by AJ Styles. Styles is always thinking. He's inflicting some serious pain here.
Kommt direkt nach Kaum drin. Das ist wichtig, direkt Druck machen. Oh, break.
What's it going to take? He's still in this. He's got him set up here. Looking for the suplex. Oh, I think this man means business. AJ Styles may have it. Ushigoroshi. That's what he was looking for, Michael. Okay. There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? A kick out. He almost had him. Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it. Showing off his vertical with that drop kick. Great offense by AJ Styles. Looks like he's pinpointing the back. Can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be. AJ Styles on offense. Incredible. So much innovation. He's inflicting some serious pain here. AJ Styles got him there. Enziguri right on the mark.
Ich bin ein bisschen verletzt, Bobby Roode.
This could do it. And he got a near What a match. AJ Styles is setting it up. Styles clash. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of the match, guys.
Nächste Match schon mal. Zweite Match ausgehend. Das ist Samoa Joe. Wow, okay. Das hat mich schon ein Aufgabematch.
Great offense by AJ Styles. strategy. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Now the old vicious head crank. Look at the torque. Tremendous damage to the neck.
Nix da.
Oh, the reversal by AJ Styles. Whoa, down he goes. That was impressive, Cole. And he delivers a brutal DDT. Oh, yeah, here's AJ Styles. Momentum shift, a phenomenal one. Samoa Joe looking a little startled right now. He's going to have to cut off his opponent's offense quickly.
I suspect this is all part of the process, guys. I don't think you tap now, but this certainly lays the foundation for a tap out in the near future.
If you want to know why AJ Styles is determined to be the best this industry has to offer, check out the tattoos on his torso.
I'm no stranger to ink. I mean, it's my show, Superstar Ink. AJ's tattoos catch your eye because they show what's most important to Styles, his family.
He has something big planned. AJ Styles seems helpless.
Now, those tattoos we discussed, if you can slow down Styles enough to actually read them, you'll see a series of dates that correspond to the births of his children.
AJ Styles already has an exceptional skill set, but those tattoos show that Styles has a
shit
supply of motivation as well. Oh, huge big boot. Looks like Samoa Joe is fading a bit. If he's not careful, this can snowball out of control for him in a hurry.
He's really starting to look fatigued here, guys, and when that happens, your whole body starts to give out on you. He's going to need to be careful here.
But the question is, how much energy does his opponent have left? My guess is not much, given what we've seen him go through so far in this match.
He's showing absolutely no pity now, guys.
Wunderschön Dropkick rein von AJ Styles.
Great offense by AJ Styles. That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal. AJ Styles with the offense. Samoa Joe's taking a beating. He could be out any moment now. There's a good chance he can't recover from this. This is all but over. Oh, I think this man means business. AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. Styles crash. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. One move after the other. It's devastating. Nice job getting out of the way of that one. Hooked up and belly to back suplex. AJ Styles with good timing here.
AJ Styles with a burst of energy.
This is a level of destruction no one was expecting. Great offense by AJ Styles.
That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal. He's capable of turning it on, but he's got to make sure he doesn't fade fast.
AJ Styles may have it.
Oshigoroshi. But can he follow up here?
Den ist schlecht getimt.
Not so fast.
Everybody likes a showman, but I think Samoa Joe might be taking it a little too far here.
You have to think that's it.
Styles looks like he wants to do it all by himself.
Clearly on a mission here.
Schöne Clothesline.
AJ Styles on offense. Incredible. So much innovation. AJ Styles is getting ready.
Das ist meine Chance.
Shigeroshi.
Samoa Joe isn't looking so hot, guys.
AJ Styles is rolling now.
Going for something else, it seems.
I suspect he knows something that we don't. Well, why else would he just let him out of that hole?
Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys. Knocks up. Pele kick.
So,
They get dangerous out here.
unser Finisher, das ist der richtige Zeitpunkt.
AJ Styles is setting it up. We're witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described
Wie
as
soll's?
severe.
Styles looks like he wants to do it all, but
Somehow he breaks it.
He may have broken free, Cole, but I assure you the damage has already been done.
AJ Styles with a nice reversal. High angle belly to back suplex.
and AJ Styles is showing them how they do it back home in Georgia. Oh man, AJ Styles is really feeling the pressure.
AJ Styles is pressed hard. Pele kick. Walked right into it.
Ja, und gepackt. Zweite Gegner auch durch.
This match is over.
Samoa Joe gepackt. Dritte Gegner wie ich stehen. Da das deine wollen, okay. Yes, yes, das ist immer sehr Slogan, da möchte man so, yes, yes. Das ist ein dritter Gegner.
The drop kick hits the target, and we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
Settle in, guys. This is going to be a blast to watch.
I don't know where Styles gets his burst, but you think he's down and out, but then out of nowhere he can hit you with a flurry of strikes.
And then AJ may just be one Styles clash away from victory.
That's a big-time power bomb for him right there. Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
That strike definitely found its target.
AJ Styles able to avoid damage there.
Such a technician.
It's got to be hard to rebound from that one. He's on the defensive here. But he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound.
He's been gambling quite a bit here tonight. There's plenty of reward that goes along with being outside the ring as much as he has been, but there's a ton of potential risk. He's getting after it while he has the energy. Smart move.
That shot is perfect. If you get hit with a lot more of those, getting nailed once turns into a full-scale beating. AJ Styles brings it every night, but the Royal Rumble pay-per-view has been quite significant in the career of the Phenomenal One. Offense like this is exactly how a competitor takes control of a match.
Typical AJ Styles Royal Rumble history begins in the Rumble match itself. Styles entered third, scored some eliminations, and lasted nearly a half hour against a procession of WWE's best.
And then the next year, AJ Styles had an all-time classic at the Rumble, taking on John Cena at Royal Rumble 2017. Styles, like the Rumble itself, has been simply phenomenal.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. That's it. It's over. It's over.
Raus rein.
This could be big. German suplex. He's struggling a bit here. He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
If he wants to win this thing, he's going to need to make some changes here. There's no Oshigoroshi. Styles can finish the job here.
And he goes for the pin. Two. Oh, kick
She's
out.
not doing it.
Not yet. AJ Styles seems helpless. AJ Styles got him there. Pele kick. AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. Styles clash.
Styles can finish the job.
And he got a near fall.
Als rauskommen ist ein Styles klar, ich kann nicht leben.
Oh, to the back of the neck. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. The knee drop lands. The strikes have a little extra on them tonight. Jumping knee drop.
So precise.
Likely seeing stars now. He's making a statement here with this attack. That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. AJ Styles may have it.
Oshigoroshi. Styles can finish the job here.
Look at this. 1, 2, and an air fall.
Look at the look on his opponent's
Zum
face.
rauskommen.
He can't believe
Krass.
AJ Styles with the offense. He's inflicting some serious pain here. AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. Styles clash.
Can he finish him off here?
3.
Ja, am dritten Gegner noch bezwungen. Genau, der vierte Gegner.
Here is your winner,
Carl Anderson, okay.
One of the most successful Westerners in Japanese wrestling history, Carl Anderson, in action right now. Ooh, there's the breaker. Oh, I think this man needs business. The cover.
Ja, het gaat niet, schon direkt. Ich bin nun schon unterbrochen, weil ich wusste, es geht nicht.
And the DDT.
Sonst zu früh am Match hin.
That's a Pele kick. Walked right into it. Oh, yeah, here's AJ Styles. Momentum shift for the phenomenal one. It's all academic from here. Great offense by AJ Styles. Uh-oh. Look at that, landed perfectly. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Shoulders on the mat. Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take? How'd he do that? figuring out what they're going to do next. The human body can only absorb so much of that. AJ Styles got him there. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. You can never count AJ Styles out, but his few losses of note are coming from bigger opponents who countered Styles' aerial attack.
If you're going to beat Styles, you need a strong move. Roman Reigns barely escaped their rivalry, but he got 2 big wins with some well-timed spears.
He hits the clothesline. Great offense by AJ Styles. That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal. To your point, Corey, I can think of another time strength stopped the phenomenal one. When John Cena rolled from an attitude adjustment into a second AA to win their classic match at the Alamo Dome.
And you can't forget AJ's match against Brock Lesnar. Styles survived Suplex City, but fell to an F5. Beating Styles requires a lot of power and even more luck.
What a reversal by AJ Styles.
Styles is always thinking.
And a savage clothesline. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
AJ Styles may have it. Styles clash.
Wow, what a gritty performance.
Ja, dat is terug. Fertig is omhoog.
I can't believe it.
Kunt u vernuften. De motto. Luke Gallows.
His drop kick finds the mark. This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number
Doe
one.
aber.
Pele kick. And a powerful kick. Look at Luke Gallows starting to slow here. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
Well, he had to expect to take some punishment tonight. You don't step in the ring with this guy and walk away completely unscathed.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
AJ Styles is setting it up.
Ushigoroshi. What a comeback. But now, can AJ Styles capitalize?
You have to possess a different type of focus to punish an opponent like this.
Oh yeah, here's AJ Styles.
Momentum shift for the phenomenal one. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. There's no coming back from that. Great offense by AJ Styles. AJ Styles with the offense.
Gallows able to get out of the way there. Nice little dodge ski.
AJ Styles moved out of the way there.
Ja, probeert zo'n niet vinden.
Shoulders are down. Wow, oh, he kicked out. Unbelievable.
Wow, I thought this was over.
this is going to end, Byron. Whatever happens,
Oh.
it's not going to be good. I can tell you that.
Ein Klar von Luke Gallows.
Incredible. This has to be it. These would really be victorious. Dug down deep and gets the shoulder up.
Can you believe this?
When this guy's on, look out. Oh my goodness, crushing it. What? Look what's going on. This is an injustice. He goes for the cover. This guy just refuses to quit.
Yeah, and AJ is showing the heart that's made him a champion. Can't teach that.
Surprises him with that drop kick. He gets him with a reversal. Oh, he's able to reverse it. AJ Styles on offense. Incredible.
So much innovation.
AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. He's got the leg locked in now.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Talk about a painful move.
Ja, net opgehen. Net opgehen.
And AJ
Het war überraschend, muss ich ganz ehrlich sagen. Also ich hatte einen Signaturmove von ich probiert einfach. Und ja, da könnt dann auch der 6. Match. Ja. Noven Chris Gamerlux. Wie geht es?
Styles wins here in impressive fashion.
6. Match schon mal, können wir. Wie nochmal als nächstes? Finn Balor und Demon. Okay. Und wäre eine Matchrichtung. Steel Cage. Okay. Das kann man nicht so einfach gehen. Pin oder Aufgabe, okay.
Drop kick. Beautiful. When you put AJ Styles and Finn Balor together, it's a rivalry that has been built up more in the minds of the WWE Universe than it has in the ring.
You said it perfectly, Michael. These two have had a story that's written itself. A rivalry that is truly a global affair.
Ja,
It's a
direkt.
matchup that needs no build-up at all.
It would be remiss of us. He's going for the pin. And a quick kick out. AJ Styles. He's still in this. AJ Styles with a nice reverse.
Chris Gamerlux, wer bist du? Wir sind es.
He's got him where he wants it, buddy. Big time slam.
Wir sind es. Den AJ Styles sind es.
Engineering. Right on the mark. Looks like he's pinpointing the back.
AJ Styles got him there.
Things not looking great for Finn Balor.
I fully expect him to bounce back, though.
This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives.
You hate to think this way, but part of me thinks he might be over his head inside that steel cage.
Not so fast, gentlemen. By my calculations, he's still very much winning this match.
He's getting after it while he has the energy. Smart move.
So powerful. AJ Styles proved himself with some big main event wins before joining WWE. He's taken on the likes of Daniel Bryan, Kurt Angle, Samoa Joe, and Sting.
Accomplishments before WWE aren't as impressive, especially when Daniel Bryan is involved, but I have to admit, that's a Hall of Fame list of opponents.
AJ Styles may have it.
It's like he tapped
Ooh.
into some unseen energy source.
Too quick for him there.
Oi, 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 oi. Oh nee, komm schon.
Balor looking to end it.
Oh nee, oh nee, oh nee.
This one's over, guys.
Komm, rüber, rüber. Nimm für die Leute, die da rankommen sind, ich darf nicht verlieren, weil das ist, ich muss 15 Gegner an eine Tour packen Also weil ich verlieren, dann hast du drüber rein.
And there's the reversal from Finn Balor.
AJ Styles able to avoid damage there.
Such a technician.
So, das ist meine Chance. Das ist meine Chance.
Here we go. AJ Styles setting up. Styles clash.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Not enough to end this one. Wow.
Wie kommen da raus?
Finn Balor's in a world of hurt. Looks to me like he just hit a wall.
Finn Balor fought an injury to become Universal Champion.
Komm, wir setzen direkt einen Hand drin.
That
Komm.
hard again right now.
AJ Styles is setting it up.
Styles clash.
Alle, komm.
To think, I almost
Nee, zwei Styles clashen. Ich kann nicht leben.
Unbelievable. It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Ooh. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
Ich muss noch ein bisschen mit Druck machen. Das ist
Chaos, melee, pandemonium.
The Irishman has his Irish up.
Pele kick.
Walked right into it.
Drives him down with a
Alle,
power.
komm.
He's got him covered. Two. And he gets the fall out of it.
Can you believe what he's withstood here tonight?
That kick connects.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Italian in the face taking some serious damage here. AJ Styles on offense. Incredible. So much innovation.
so, probieren wir einen Anker.
AJ Styles is getting ready. Ushigoroshi.
Styles can finish the job here.
Alle, komm, oder? Muss doch wirklich sein.
Two. Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take?
Ich kann nicht leben. Das hilft doch.
Great move. Well executed drop kick. He goes down hard.
Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Oh, I think this man means business. Look at this.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
die steht aber so schnell
Look
ab.
at the suplex. Great offense by AJ
Okay,
Styles.
okay, ne, ich muss aufs Ganze
Oh,
anschauen.
that's phenomenal.
Nee.
Enziguri.
Man, das geht schon gut. Ich kann über Teil. Ich kann einfach raus, das ist egal.
Everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it?
Nee, ich lasse nicht lieber sehen, weil für die Stunde, ich muss über Pin gewonnen. Über so.
Top of the head taking some punishment. Uh-oh, here comes the phenomenal one. That's up. Great offense by AJ Styles.
Komm nur.
AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. Ushigoroshi.
What a comeback.
AJ Styles with the offense. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Three.
Ja,
This singles match has come to an end.
das war schwer, der Match.
Here is your winner, the phenomenal AJ Styles.
Wow.
So, nächstes Match. Guten Morgen. Roman Reigns. Hui. Wie Match, wenn Matchrichtung steht nicht da. Aber noch gut gehen am Match. Big Dog.
And here is the big dog.
And
Nur Aufgabe auch, ne?
AJ
Yeah.
Styles and Roman Reigns had a series of amazing battles in 2016.
AJ Styles came so close to unseating WWE Champion Reigns at Payback 2016. In fact, Styles won by countout and disqualification, but Roman scored the pinfall after 2 restarts.
And I can't help but get the feeling that this is going to be one of those matches people will be talking about for a long time to come.
Oh yeah, here's AJ Styles.
Momentum shift for the phenomenal one. Oh, there's the DDT. AJ Styles with the offense. Pele kick.
AJ Styles got him there.
Great offense by AJ Styles. That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal.
Now it's Roman Reigns on his heels.
Be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with the slouch guys.
And knowing him the way I do, I'm willing to bet he thought he was going to get through this match unscathed. But that obviously is not the case here.
Nee.
I can't tell you how many victims have suffered the same fate.
Roman Reigns lives by mottos like one versus all. And I can, I did, I will again. Roman's the big dog, and when you're the big dog, you can have a line of enemies a mile long. The more the merrier.
Knocks up. Pele kick. Walked right into it. AJ Styles is setting it up.
Ushigoroshi. Styles can finish the job here.
Great offense by AJ Styles. Jumping knee right to the face. Oh, man. Wow. Plenty of force behind that strike. This kind of offense he's known for.
Oh, nee.
Eludes that one. Uh-oh. We know what Reigns is looking to do here. Oh, no! AJ's in big trouble now. He's a man among boys right now. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Superman punch. Good night. This one is over. My goodness, that connected.
Oh nee, ich kon het blokken.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious
God.
injuries. AJ Styles on offense. Incredible. So much innovation. Roman Reigns saw that one coming.
Nee, 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 ich wollte sein Finisher gerade machen, das gesehen. Da wird drüber gewesen wahrscheinlich.
AJ Styles may have it.
Ushigoroshi. To think, I almost wrote him off earlier. Dropped like a bad habit.
Here we go. AJ. That's the move he was looking
Ja,
for.
Can he finish him off here?
Oh yeah, here's AJ Styles.
Momentum shift for the phenomenal one. Right to the back of the neck.
Dangerous position here, guys.
Oh, no, 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 no. Suplex. Wow, he just slammed him with ease. Shoulder
nee.
tap does the job.
And Roman Reigns knows how to play mind games as good as anybody.
On a brutal boot. He's got him on
God,
his heels and
so
shows
good,
no
man.
signs of letting up.
What's this? Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry.
He got him with the kick.
AJ Styles with a nice reversal. Pele kick.
I don't know how much more these superstars can take, guys. You'd have to think something's got to give here soon.
Komm, Roman. Aus Fernsehen werden.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. He's looking to cripple him with that backbreaker.
He's getting after it while he has the energy. Smart move.
Look out! You might be in the beginning stages of an assault.
Oh, yeah. Got him good with the elbow there.
Ja, ja, ja.
That's how you make an impact. Oh, AJ Styles may have it. It's got to be hard to rebound from that
Oh
one.
boy, okay.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Roman Reigns' chances just went from bad to worse.
3,59, 3,57, okay.
Interesting
Ja, schon
decision
genug
here,
Kraft.
Corey.
Ich will jemand
I
werden.
don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
Oh, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
Hij blokte.
Roman Reigns just too fast for him.
At the oh my goodness, crushing it. He's throwing the rule book out the window.
Oh nee, oh nee, 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 moest even niet zo.
Reigns may have it.
Oef, zo geblokt. Oh my god.
AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. There's the leg.
Nee.
That's how you put an exclamation. Styles can finish the job here. That is exactly what AJ Styles needed.
An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here. He releases it.
And you can debate whether or
Wacht,
not
ich muss
that
nach,
would
ich
have
weiß
been
nicht,
the
Mann.
end. Interesting decision there.
Muss mal noch hin. Finde ich auch.
Uh-oh, here comes the phenomenal one.
Knocks off.
He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while. AJ Styles is getting ready. He's got the leg lock.
Nee, je blokt toch hem.
Styles can finish the job here.
Oh, he unloaded there. And he hits the gutbuster.
Was macht er Zeit? Nee.
Roman Reigns just too fast for him.
Oh fuck.
Look at Roman Reigns here.
Oh fuck, is er geil nice.
That's a big time power bomb for him right there.
He's got him on his
Verdammt,
heels
ja,
and
ik
shows
zit
no
ganz
signs of
übel
letting
aus,
up.
so.
Reverses that one. Uh-oh. looks like he wants to do it all by himself.
So, meine letzte Chance für heute Match zu gewinnen.
Oh, AJ Styles may have it. Oh, AJ Styles!
Styles can finish the job here.
Ja, 10 Sekunden Ding.
AJ Styles wins.
Neng Sekunden. Ach, das war so knapp. Meine Lieber schon.
Here is your winner, the phenomenal AJ Styles.
That's a big win, although there was a moment there where I thought it was going to go the other way. When you bring such a high level of...
So, nächstes Match. Dem Klassiker, ja, du war Klassiker, meine ich auch. 8. Match für Nummer. Shinsuke Nakamura.
He's displaying classic offense here. He hits him with a face buster. The drop undoubtedly did some damage.
AJ Styles got him there.
Great offense by AJ Styles.
That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal.
AJ Styles may have it. Styles clash.
Whoopig. Ach, das ist so nicht durchgegangen. Am Anfang
For the action.
WWE's
ist nicht durchgegangen.
Rockstar pops the shoulder up there.
AJ Styles on offense.
Incredible.
So much innovation.
A skull-crushing enziguri.
Oh yeah, here's AJ Styles.
Momentum shift with a phenomenal one.
Knocks up.
He's inflicting some serious pain here. Oh, nice belly to back.
That could be a game changer.
Shinsuke Nakamura beginning to look a little uneasy. He doesn't want to absorb much more punishment if he wants to win this match.
It looks to me like he may have lost focus there for a minute. He was really cruising for a while.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries.
Styles looks like he wants to do it all by himself.
Ushigoroshi. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
Here we go for the win. 2 and the kick out.
Das ist nicht durchgegangen.
WWE's resident rock star pops the shoulder up there.
Great offense by AJ Styles. The human body can only absorb so much of that. Shinsuke Nakamura has taken on a lot of damage. I'm not sure how much more he can take. You have to wonder how much longer he can go on like this. Styles clash.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
You can't teach the
Ah,
type
she's
of
not
we're
ice cold.
witnessing here. Unreal.
He's showing the heart of a warrior here tonight.
Clearly on a mission here.
Knocks on.
That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. The damage has been done. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
What impact? He wants no part of the outside. Look at this. Locks on. Pele kick. Walked right into it. What an amazing stretch.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Here we go. AJ Styles setting up.
Ushigoroshi. Styles can finish the job here.
He's got the shoulders down. 2. And he got a near
Haken raus.
To change something fast, guys.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Pele kick. AJ Styles is getting ready. Styles clash.
Quick.
He's got to be running on empty at this point.
WWE's resident rock star pops the shoulder up there.
Oh, I think this man needs business.
Verletzung hat.
AJ Styles with the offense. This kind of offense he's known for. One move after the other. It's devastating.
Locks on.
This is a level of destruction no one was expecting. Powerbomb! Here's the cover for the win. 2. Real close. Too close for cover.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
That'll rearrange your face. He's making a statement here with this attack. Here we go. AJ Styles setting up.
Ushigoroshi. Styles can finish the job here.
And he goes for the pin. 2. And a near fall.
Ach nee. Komm raus. Krass.
This might be it. Oh, my. He's inflicting some serious pain here. Oh, I think this man needs business. Uh-oh, AJ Styles may have it. Styles clash!
Here's this moment, Michael. Did you guys feel that too?
Ja,
AJ Styles.
wir kommen nur immer mehr nur bei 15 gehen.
Here is your winner,
Linkte Gegner ist den Undertaker, Englisch, ja. Hell in a Cell.
His drop kick connects. You can expect these superstars to put their bodies on the line to take each other down.
These superstars have waited a long time for this match to take place.
With AJ Styles in the ring, you know this match is going to be absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, the only thing I could possibly dislike about the match is that you're calling it with me.
Nicely executed. Great offense by AJ Styles.
That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal.
Undertaker looking mortal here. This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
If this is the only damage he walks away from this
this match with Cole, he should consider himself very lucky. But let's face it, that's just not going to happen. Not when you're inside the cell.
It looks to me like he took his foot off the gas there for a moment. When that happens, you run the risk of letting your opponent back into the match.
He's getting after it while he has the energy. Smart move.
Right into it. What was it that The Undertaker is looking to do to change his luck at this point? I'm not sure how much more he has to give.
That confidence he had on his face at the start of the Ushigoroshi. That might just be the final nail in the...
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. And he breaks the cover.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that. There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown.
AJ Styles is getting ready.
Styles clash!
And there it is, boys.
And he got a near
Want ik kan eruit. Kan eruit naar Undertaker. Vaak gloor. Zo even in Undertaker kan eruit.
AJ Styles got him there.
AJ Styles is impressed with himself right now, but he better watch it.
And he's heading back in.
Simple but effective.
Connects with a knee drop. AJ Styles setting a good pace now.
What do you think about that, Corey? I disagree strongly.
Styles looks like he wants to do it all by himself.
AJ Styles is setting it up.
Ushigoroshi. Styles can finish the job here.
Great offense by AJ Styles. Oh yeah, here's AJ Styles.
Momentum shift for the phenomenal one.
Knocks on Pele kick.
AJ Styles may have it.
Styles clash.
Styles can finish the job here.
Ja. En dan Undertaker omhoog. Gezwongen. Wauw. Mega. Nächste Match. Da kommen wir ins 10. Match wel. En de winnaar staat in The Walk. Oei.
And from Miami, Florida.
The Walk. De Brahma Bull. Nog genoemd Guts.
Nobody comes back from this. The time for talk is over. The Rock's a third-generation superstar and entertainment icon. He's been a multi-time WWE champion, a World Heavyweight champion, Intercontinental champion, World Tag Team champion, and won the 2000 Royal Rumble. You're going one-on-one with a great one. Good luck.
And I wouldn't at all be surprised if this match stole the show here.
Despite his busy schedule, the only thing that Brahma Bull wants to do now is lay the smackdown on his opponent. Hey, Corey, do you smell that?
Byron, leave the catchphrases to the great one. But yes, we all smell what The Rock is cooking. There, you made me say it.
See, that wasn't too bad. Oh, boy, he is rolling. AJ Styles on offense.
Incredible.
So much innovation. Snap suplex. Very nice.
So damaging. The Rock may be in a bad way here. He's really going to need to create some space for himself.
If his opponent somehow wins this thing, we could likely go back to this moment as the turning point of the match.
Nicely done. He wants no part of the outside. AJ Styles with the offense. Even when he's not scheduled for a match, The Rock can still make WrestleMania history. There's the year he hosted, of course, but his appearances at WrestleMania 31 and 32 were legendary, too.
That's true, Michael. In 2015, The Rock was confronted by Triple H and Stephanie McMahon when he recruited none other than Ronda Rousey to even up the odds in front of a Bay Area crowd, not far from where the Great One was born. It was amazing.
Stu, you brought up The Rock at WrestleMania 31, and forgive me for being less enthused. Why celebrate a pair of egotistical movie stars like Rousey and Rock attacking our hard-working bosses, Triple H and Stephanie McMahon?
Because the authorities started it, but The Rock topped it at WrestleMania 32. At the first WrestleMania I ever announced on, The Rock accepted an impromptu match against Rowan and beat the bearded brute in just 6 seconds, a WrestleMania record.
This guy can go toe-to-toe with anybody. Oh, AJ Styles may have it.
Styles clash!
Warm up the bus.
Rocken raus. Rocken
And he
raus.
kicks out. Not yet. Great offense by AJ Styles. AJ Styles with the offense. Not sure how much more Rock can take. Tonight may not be his night, guys.
He's getting after it while he has the energy. Smart move.
Well executed.
AJ Styles got him there.
At this point, it looks like even the winner of this match will walk out of here beaten and battered.
You can almost see the wind leave his body after that. Here's a cover. Could be it. Dug down deep and gets the shoulder up.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
The Rock turns it around.
Look out. He might be in the beginning stages of an assault.
Nothing quite like the phenomenal forearm.
He hit it.
He's got it. Let's see it once more.
Get to it.
Yeah, this match is
Hey,
all
kom
over.
af.
1, 2, 3.
Ja,
There's the pinfall.
druk omhoog. Dat is gewoon. De nächste Gegner.
Here is your winner,
Nummer John Cena.
Drop kick. You know, guys, being called the face that runs the place is not a title you can just give yourself.
It absolutely isn't. It's a moniker AJ Styles earned when he took on WWE's flag bearer, John Cena.
I like to call Byron the face that ruins the place.
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys compete.
Bringing up John Cena reminds me of how bitter his and AJ Styles' rivalry was and how it produced Match of the Year candidates.
They are two of the best in this business, Cole. It'd be difficult not to be Match of the Year. At the time, Styles had a lot to prove to the WWE Universe, and did so by being phenomenal. Oh, man, I don't think AJ Styles liked that.
Komm
I
schon.
wonder what's going to happen here, Corey.
Well, you can go a variety of different ways from the cradle position, that's for sure.
Now that's the type of move that sends a message to an opponent.
Ooh, well-planted knee. Ouch. Ooh, well-planted knee. Ouch.
John Cena starting to take some deep breaths in there. But it's going to take a lot more than that to stop him here tonight.
Yeah, but he's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run. We'll see.
Ushigoroshi. What a comeback. Knocks on. Pele kick.
Walked right into it.
Ich muss halt direkt Druck machen, weil John Cena ist wirklich noch starker so und der ist schon wirklich gut Fehler haben. Also.
That's how you wear down your opponent.
Pele kick. Great offense by AJ Styles.
That's not great, Cole. That's phenomenal.
You have to worry about his orbital bone after that. Into a sidewalk slam.
Wow.
Awesome. Oh boy, he is rolling. And he's heading back in.
And then boom! Oh yeah, here's AJ Styles.
Momentum shift for the phenomenal one. Pele kick. Walked right into it. Here we go. AJ Styles setting up.
Ushigoroshi.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
That'll likely do it, Michael.
Jumping knee drop.
So precise.
That's how you move up the ladder here in WWE. AJ Styles on offense.
Incredible.
So much innovation.
Flawless belly to back suplex.
Styles looks like he wants to do it all by himself.
John Cena with a nice reversal. Got him good with a neck breaker. Big move coming. Incredible. Cena connected with a match-ending move.
AJ's in big trouble now.
Somebody get the hose. This guy's on fire.
This is the Cena that's just about unstoppable. John Cena got him there.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Just a step quicker, it looks like. What a reversal by AJ Styles.
Styles is always thinking.
You have to possess a different type of focus to punish an opponent like this. He goes down hard.
Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Pele kick. AJ Styles, guys, he's setting up for something here. Really sucking the life out of him here.
Styles can finish the job here.
Well, John Cena's in a real bad spot.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
Pele kick. Walked right into it. The intensity of this match has been incredible. He releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Set him up here.
Up in the suplex.
Oh, yeah. Here's AJ Styles. Momentum shift for the Phenomenal One. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
All right, AJ Styles with a burst of energy.
Oh, and he releases the hold. Wow.
Part of me thought that was it, Cole.
Well, AJ Styles is trying to get in his opponent's head right here.
AJ Styles is getting ready. Oh, my. AJ Styles.
And there it is, boys.
Well, John Cena's in a real bad spot.
And he fights his way free.
He's got to be working on instinct right now, Cole.
I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted.
Oh, the reversal by AJ Styles. Oh, the reversal by John Cena. There he goes, crashing to the floor. AJ Styles with a nice reversal.
A lot of people looking to praise this superstar, but the way I see it, competing injured just goes along with the territory.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Boy, he is rolling.
AJ Styles got him there.
Great offense by AJ Styles. Oh, AJ Styles may have it. There's the leg lock.
But can he follow up here? Look out. That can break bones, guys.
Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
Locks on. Pele kick. Somehow he breaks it.
He may have broken free, Cole, but I assure you the damage has already been done.
John Cena with the offense.
He's always had great stamina. See if it lasts here.
Offense like this is exactly how a competitor takes control of the match.
AJ Styles moved out of the way there.
And it's reversed. And you can put
Schon gepackt, gepackt. Ja, ich schon alles probiert. Bis bei John Cena nicht kommen. Ja. Ja, das war mein Stream. Sind leider nicht gepackt. Ich hoffe, das Video hat euch trotzdem gefallen. Wat ich de Video wie gesagt gefallen, dann gibt man 20 Like oder abonniert meinen Kanal. Bis dann. Ade.